Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh. I hope you are doing good. I work as a product designer at Tata Motors. In this channel, I try to make videos on UI UX design and traveling videos. So in today's video, we will gonna learn how to make animated toggle by using two variations. One variation will be by using a component. Another variation we will use Smart Animate in Figma. Before we just start, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, Behance or Dribble. I will paste the link in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So we will create this interactive toggle button which we see in a mobile app or a website. Like it work as a either on or off, like you want to active or deactive the things like which we mostly see in the setting type of screens. So this we will use this dashboard screen which I have made from one of my previous projects. So we will use this and we will add the toggle button in that. So we will take the rectangle and make it smaller. Yeah, 16 is fine. Make it roundish, 50. Then take a circle. The shortcut key is O. Make it center this circle. Give some different color. Yeah, it's white. Yeah, white is perfect. Take a copy of the circle to check if it's in a center line from, so it has equal spacing from both the side. Yeah, it's perfect. Group this, Ctrl G, copy this toggle, because one will be the off, other one will be the on, like active inactive. So for this active one we will use a different color. Green is not looking good, we will use some different color. Yeah, this one is looking fine. Right click, create component, or the shortcut keys Ctrl Alt K. Again right click, create component for this active one also. So we will take both this. On the right hand side you will find a property, so you have to click on a combine as a variant. Now change this component name into toggle. So bring this to upper side. Now we will prototype this thing. So drag this to active one. Use Smart Animate and custom spring. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we will click on this, drag this to inactive one. In Figma the best part is all the previous property will be the same. So we will take one frame, because without frame you can't see this prototype, you require some background. So yeah, it's done. So it's very easy to create a component. So now we will, from assets, we will drag this to near this. You just have to drag because you have created this thing. So in assets you will find all the components. Now come to design, make it center line. Now we will check, is it perfect or not? Yeah, it's looking fine, it's looking great, it's working. So we will copy this toggle to other text also. I like the grouping thing, so I make whenever the design, so I always group the things, so it make my work easier if I want to align, or if I want to give some spacing in between or anything, or if I want to copy the folder. Copy this in all 6, bring. Now we will check it's working fine or not for all. Yeah, it's complete, it's done. So it's very easy, just you have to create a component. So the best part of the component, you don't have to create a multiple number of pages. So now we will make a toggle by using a smart animate. So we will detach this instance. So by using of detach instance, so it will, now it's not a component, so you can do anything. Okay, it's not animated, you can change the color also here, anything you can want to do. So yeah, after clicking on a detach, see, it's not working, but other 5 it's working. For the smart animate, we will require another page, so that's why we make a component. For this smart animate, bring this circle to left hand side, change the color. Now go to prototype. Oops, select this, drag it to next page. Instead, smart animate custom spring. Now we will check this flow. Yeah, it's working. So we will use this inactive one and drag it to inactive one. Yeah, it's complete. The property will be the same in interaction details. Now just click on the flow one. Yeah, it's complete. So you have seen the difference between of using a component and using of smart animate. So best thing is you can use the component, so you can use for multiple times and you don't have to create a number of pages. But but smart animate have a different advantages. Okay, so you have to see where you want to use the component and where you want to use a smart animate. Yeah, it's done. So thank you for watching. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you will get all the latest updates. You can follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Behance or Dribble. I will paste the link in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.